Hello everyone. So this is the third video in the series of my monthly layout work planner. We've done the dashboard page, we've done the daily task pages, and today we're going to do our notes / journal page. It says take note. I use this as a little business journal. So if I want to remember certain things that happened during the month or whatever, this is where I will write them, like little milestones or things I'm happy about, things I'm upset about, just different things like that. So what I want to do on this page is, first I'm going to do the top just like this. And I'm going to do the bottom like this, but we are going to bring in, to make this page a little different, we're going to bring in the solid blue. Let's see, it's blue striped and red. And the reason I'm doing it is because I want to create like a little fireworks watching scene with these stickers. So if you weren't watching the previous videos, I used these 4th of July, that 4th of July sticker set from Retro Holidays from Live Love Posh. And that's what we're using for this month in my work planner. And I'm excited because this is going to be cute. I hope. That's my intention. So we've got all of these cars on here, and so I want to create like a little fireworks watching scene. You know, this is a little crooked. Let me do like this, and then basically I'm just, the easiest thing to do is line it up with this line right here. It's a perfect little guide to doing this like that. What time is it? It's 2 o'clock. Okay. I think my husband is done cutting the grass now. It is 2 o'clock on a Saturday. Typically Saturdays is like our kind of date day because we don't do date nights. Very rarely do we leave the house at night. One, I don't like driving at night, and I don't think he does either. I mean, not that we're super old or anything. I'm 50 and he's 56. But I don't know. Nothing good happens at night, you know? At least not anymore. It used to when I was a teenager. That's when everything happened. And some not so good things too. Here we go, the red. But nowadays, yeah. We have, you know, like on Saturdays we usually go out and we'll go to lunch somewhere. And then we'll go shopping for groceries. Or whatever else we feel like shopping for. And that is our weekend. And then usually Sunday we stay home and do stuff around the house. And that's our routine. Sometimes we switch it up and go out on Sunday instead of Saturday. Just depends on the weather. I know we lead very exciting lives, but we enjoy it. Okay, so on the other pages we just had the straight blue, right? But I'm thinking I wanted to add a little more interest at the bottom of the page, and I was going to use black, you know, like a road, but then I remembered that I took out that this darker washi, the navy blue, so I think it's dark enough that it'll look cute as the road. This one's just the decoration over here, and I hope I'm in frame. I've been trying really hard, so I put my little, it's like a little thing where I have all my tools right at the top, because for some reason I always want to push my papers up. So hopefully this series I won't be doing that much because I can't, because something's in the way. Okay, so there's that. And then we're going to do the blue road and hope it looks okay. And I wish I had like different cars, because actually we've got like a blue one and a red one, but we've got 4 of them. And seriously, if I don't use it in this spread, I probably won't use the cars. But I thought, what would be a cute way of doing it? And I think that making like a little scene is a cute way of using those. Okay, there we go. So, question is, do we want to go, oh, I forgot this one. Okay, let's do this. First, we got to cut the white off here, because we don't want them to look like they're levitating or floating. So this one's going to go here, right on the blue. All right, and we're off. And then we're going to use the red next. It's going to look like a mama car and a baby car, but that's okay. We're just going to pretend like it's okay. It's no big deal that there are different size cars. Maybe that one's further away, right? Like this one's closer, that one's further. That's exactly what's going on. Here's this one. Where's the other one? Am I missing a page? Yeah, I'm missing a, no. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. I'm missing a car. Oh, here it is. All right, so this one's gonna be closer. Don't want to cut the wheel. We just want to cut the white. There. And this one's, you know, I wonder, should it go like that? And then it looks like, all right, let me see. Let's see what's gonna look better. Is it that? See if I can do it without getting my fingers in the way. Like that, or like this. I think I want to do like this. And to make them look a little bit different, maybe I'm going to space it a little more. Nah, let's just keep it the same. Let's just keep it the same. Cut these like that. Okay. Yeah, these red cars are just in a line in the back. Blue cars to the front, red cars to the back. Gotta get it just right on there. Okay, and I did space it a little bit different, and that's okay. Okay, so up top, what we're gonna have is, we're gonna have this airplane flying. I like that. And then we're gonna have some fireworks bursting in the air. Let's put this one here, like that. And then this one, whoa. I want one like right smack in the middle. Let's see what we've got before I start laying them down. So I've got this one, I've got this little piece, I've got this small piece, and then I've got these 3. Okay, so let's be smart about it. This one does not have any. This one's got the little pieces. That one does not have any. Okay, so let's do, I think this one I'm gonna have coming from the side. Oh, we can have this one here. We can have this other airplane too. See, we've got this one, but I wonder how I could angle it to make it look different than that one. All right, I think this one needs to come like down here. And then I wonder if I should do like this. Yeah, let's just put this one here. Okay. Actually, I'm thinking this one should have gone here so that this one can go. Let me just see. Might not be able to use this one because, oh look, there's a smaller one. Okay, let's do that. This smaller one's going that way. Yeah, they need to face like away from each other. I think that looks better. Where do I want him to go? I'm gonna leave him for last. All right, let's put this little slice up here. Okay. And then I think this one I'm going to put over here, like this. Okay. And what else we got? We've got this little piece here, which I think can go right here. Okay. And then we've got these 2, which we're going to cut in half so we can make more stickers out of them. All right. So I think we do this one here. And then how about this one here? Yeah, I like that there. Let's put it here. And when I write in here, it's like little blurbs, so it's okay. Like I can write a little bit. I wonder if I should even do like a blue marker. Maybe, maybe not. I think I'm going to put this one. Let's just put it here. And I'm going to cut this, like that. And then where can this go? Do I want it up here? Why not? Let's put it right there, like that. Okay, and now let's see. Do we want this little airplane up here? Sure. Let's just fill up that little space there. And then, let's see. Do we want something with the cars? How about, we've got the rockets. Maybe one of the cars is shooting the rockets, like the big ones. Now it looks kind of weird, right? Yeah, that does not look right. How about the Happy 4th of July? That looks cute right there. I like that. I kind of feel like I want to put something down here. I'm going to cut these. Let's cut these up so we can arrange them however we want. So I'm going to put this one here. And then let's cut this in half. I'm going to put, let's see, like this. And then that. There's a skateboarder there. I don't know. Maybe somebody left their skateboard. No, they did not, because that would look dumb. Okay. I think it's kind of good. It leaves me enough space to write stuff. This is what we've got left over. I want to save these for, I mean, I guess, you know what? Route 66. Where else would I put Route 66? That's kind of dumb. I don't like the Route 66, but I'm going to use it because I don't really want to use it anywhere else. I think there's one more. Yeah, why not? Do we want to just to kind of mirror it? Yeah, why not? Let's just put it right there. Let's get rid of the Route 66. Goes with the cars. So let's use a few of these little stars here that are left over that are the right color. And then I think this page will be done. And we can do our monthly page. Okay. Let's do like this, and then like that. Okay. That's cute. It leaves me lots of little spaces to write. I don't write a whole lot, just when things happen, you know, good things. Sometimes bad things, but thankfully it's been mostly good things. So I have a little space to journal. And that works perfectly for what I use this planner for. So if you use this planner, maybe that's, you know, that's what you can use it for too. You use these pages for your to-dos. And then if you're a light journaler, you can do your journaling on this other side. What would be cute on this other side too, like if you use this for home, you could use it for some pictures like favorite memories, things like that that happened during the month. Okay, so here we go. We've got our dashboard, we've got our daily task pages, we've got our notes page, and I love it. It looks really cute. That looks fun. Yes. And then now I'm going to do, let's see, how long is this video? 16 minutes. You know what? Let's just do it. I'm just going to go with it. Let's do our monthly. Let's just do our monthly. Okay. I'm going to have to pause it too because I'm going to add the dates. You know what? I'm going to pause it for a minute because I haven't even thought about this. So let me just pause it and think for a second and figure out exactly what I'm doing here. And then I'll be right back. Okay, I thought about it and I'm just going to end the video. I think, because I don't know, I think it's better. I think it's better to have it standalone. That way, if somebody just wants to see the journal page, they can just see the journal page. If they want to see the monthly, then they can watch the next one. All right, so here, this is the end of the video. And here is the journal pages. And I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope you join me for the monthly view in the next video. Okay, bye.